So having a look at the Frameo 15.6 inch digital picture frame, as you can see just here. Very excited to do this because it actually allows you to play pictures and videos on a picture frame, share it wirelessly, etc. So I'm going to go and open it up and do some unboxing with it. So take a look in it. So start by taking it out of the box. Oopsie daisy. So here it is just here. So start with, you've got the power cables in here as well to charge it up because it uses charging, and a frame there, I guess, if you want to attach it. Let's go and take a look. So it's well packaged as well. Okay, so here is the picture frame to start with. Now doesn't that look like a proper normal wooden picture frame, as you can see. I love the look of that. You wouldn't know if that was a picture frame or not. Now what we had there before is actually a stand. So let's go and pop out the stand and actually put it in here. So here is the stand just here. And okay, so you put the stand on just like that, so that you can stand it up when you're using it, which is good. And as you can see, you've got the SD card built into it. So a bit more about some of the features. So it has, you connect your 15.6 inch digital picture frame to Wi-Fi and set it up. And you can share photos up to 15 seconds. It's also got a 64 gig memory in there as well, which is inbuilt. But you can also do extra memory as well in there using a Wi-Fi card. Now it is HD touchscreen, and it's got 1920 by 1080 full HD display as well, and 178 degree viewing angle as well. It's also got sound on here too, which I think is a great touch. I can now see we've actually switched it on. So you press anywhere to cancel, and this is where you can set it up. So again, it's touchscreen, which I think is absolutely great. So it allows you to actually connect via Wi-Fi and share photos and videos, which I think is great. Now I'm going to do the download. Okay, now I'm going to set this up for the family. It's going to be in the living room. And again, as you can see, touchscreen, very easy to set up. Okay, so now we do is scan the code and then download the app onto your phone. And what you can do is you can then send directly to the app. So if we do that just now, so I'm going to send through the first one. So add to new frame. So we've got you enter the frame code in here to do it. So what that should do is should now send the photo to the frame. And it's that easy. So you can share the code with friends, share the code with family. So you go to the screen and you select send to the picture frame. So there you go. So there's a picture of us all out for New Year's Eve. Doesn't that look lovely? There's me with my parents. Let's go send another picture as well now. Now again, look how quick that is. You literally go in, you go to the app, you press the button, and it sends to the phone. Now you can also pinch and drag and drop too. So if we go here, you can actually pinch the photo here. So and you can move about. Let's also send a video now and see how that goes. Yes. So go next and send it through. So this is sending a video now. So this is us partying on New Year's, which is very exciting. You see how quickly that comes through? And there's the sound coming through with the video. So this is partying out at on New Year's night as well. So much fun. So again, touchscreen enabled, really nice app, and very easy to send photos as well. So yeah, that's the frame. And isn't that lovely to be able to do that? And you can also do all the different settings here. So you got your display, you can do slideshow, Wi-Fi, manage photos. You can also change the frame as well. All that information on there. It really is a lovely way to display.